Hello guys, welcome to Ask IITians. My name is Gaurav. I hope you all are doing well, right? So guys, today we'll discuss a session for you that is comparing quantities. Okay, so let me just share my screen. So yeah, guys, comparing quantities, you know that the exam weightage will be from 7 to 8 months. Okay, so, yeah. So today we'll cover topics like questioning, solving overall questions and advanced problem on your profit loss involving MPCPSP. Let me just give you a brief idea what your cost price, your market price, your selling price, and what are the formula we have already studied, right? So guys, whenever we just whenever we just buy any product, okay, whenever we go to a market and we just buy any product, so it has certain CP, it has certain cost price. Cost price is basically the price of your product manufactured. Okay, so the shopkeeper what do short the shopkeeper just make some higher, just label the price higher, right? You know that your market price, that is your market price. Market price is what, like so for example, suppose you have bought a bag. A bag was bought for rupees 200. Okay, for rupees 200. So this was the cost price of your bag. Like the bag was manufactured for rupees 200. The shopkeeper has gained this bag for 200, right? If that so the cost shopkeeper obviously will not sell this bag at 200. He will just make it higher. Let's suppose 300. 300. So 300 will be what? 300 will be your its market price, right? And after that, yeah, suppose you will give some discount. So the price at which the bag was sell, right? That price, maybe like after he gave some discount of rupees 50, right? So the bag be sold by rupees 250. Okay, so this is what your selling price is. Selling price is your price, the price at which your product is sold. Market price is the price at which the the price at which your product was labeled a bit higher, right? And a discount is always given on your market price. So this is what I think you all know about this, right? This is what your profit gains. The product was made for 200 rupees and you have sold for your 50. So it means your profit is your selling price minus cost price. That is rupees 50. Your discount was what? Discount will be your selling price minus market price. That is again 50. 50 discount, right? I will just write all the formulas involved in MP, CP, and SP. Okay, and after discount your MP convert into selling price, and or we can say yep, to CP and SP some profit or loss. Profit or loss. This is what diagram is. You CP, then MP, then SP. Okay, discount. So guys, here is the question. First do the question. First do the question. Then we'll tell you what are these formulas. Let us first discuss formulas. Okay. So basically, how your diagram follows. Your CP, the item as the manufactured cost, then your MP, market price cost, the labeled one, then your SP, selling price, and this is your CP. Okay, so CP to MP, then MP to SP, then discount, some discount is there, discount, and from CP to SP some profit or loss. Profit or loss. Okay. So profit is basically you will get when you will get some profit when you have bought some item at your less price and sold it at higher price. So basically your profit is selling price minus cost price. Okay. And what your loss is cost price minus selling price. When you will get loss when your cost price was higher than your selling price. Okay. So what will be the formula of your profit percent? Your formula will be what? Your profit divided by cost price multiplied 100. What will be the formula of your loss percent? That is loss divided by cost price multiplied 100. Okay. What will be the formula of it? What is the formula of just discount? Discount is what? Selling price minus, sorry, discount is a mark price minus selling price. What discount is? Mark price minus selling price. Okay. What discount percentage is? Some discount percentage. Discount percentage is discount divided by what? Divided by market price into 100. So guys, I think you all have studied these formulas, right? These are the basic formula you should know while doing your question. Okay. So your question is what is the value of an investment of this much dollar, $3500 after 2 years if it earns 1.5% compounded quarterly. Quarterly it is written quarterly. Quarterly means 3 months. Okay. Quarterly means 3 months. When we deal with quarterly, your rate becomes r by 4. Okay. And time becomes 4t. Okay. So you know the formula of amount in case of compound interest is what? Principal p1 plus r upon 100 into t. This is what your basic formula is. P plus P multiplied 1 plus R upon 100 into T. What is the principal? Principal is your 3500, right? 1 plus what is the rate? You now rate will be what? Your basic rate is 15. Sorry, 1.5. But uh, now rate will be what? R by 4. So basically you will write R by 4. 4 is a 400. Okay. And time also becomes 4 times. So just put the values 3500 1 plus R is 1.5 divided by 400 multiplies 4 into what? Into T, and time is a 2 years. If you just calculate, you will get value of what? 3606.39. This is how you calculate. Okay, guys. So just remember the formulas. Remember the formula, guys. So guys, I think you will find some issue by solving this. Let me just show you how your approx value is calculated for uh, this one, right? 1 plus 0.015 divided by 4 multiplied 8. This is what written in your bracket, right? If you go to solve this, you will find some difficulty. Here we use some binomial approximation for your binomial. Guys, let me just tell you, whenever this quantity, this type of quantity came into your question, into your answer, just do one thing. 1 plus your 8 will come to your here. Your 8 into 0.015 by 4. This is how you will gonna solve your question. Okay. Whenever you find any difficulty on solving this fraction, that power 8 will be there, right? So a 4 will cancel out 8 into 2 times. 0.015 into 2 will be what? 0.03. So 1.03. 1.03 and multiplied with how much? 3500. You will get this approximate value. Okay. I'm just giving you an approximate answer. This is how we use in binomial. Okay. So yeah, I think the question is clear to you, and also all the formulas are clear. Okay. So yeah, we'll do a next question. A motorcycle, a motorcycle is bought at this much amount. It value depreciate. Depreciate means its value reduced by time at the rate of 10% per year. Find its value after 2 years. The question says, let us forget about the amount. Let's just forget about the amount. Just say you have bought something for 1,000 rupees, right? And its value, obviously, you have bought a bike for you 1,000 rupees, suppose, right? And if its value depreciates at the rate of 10%, it means 10% depreciates, it means its value decreases by how much? 10%. So if it values decrease by 10%, then how much will be remain? 90%. Guys, you have 100%, right? And its value depreciates how much? 10%. So you will be remaining what? 9%. Sorry, 90%. So 90 by 100. So your bike value just reduced to what? 900. I think you got the point, right? This is what happens. This is what happens. Suppose value is your, mm, suppose the value is what? Suppose 500, 500 something value, and its value depreciates at the rate of 10%. It means its value decreases by 10%. So your I'm just telling you that your value was 500, your 10% values depreciates. I'm just talking about for 1 year. The 10-year value just depreciate. So just multiply 90 by 100. What you will get? You will get 450. Right or not? Are you getting this point or not? How this 90 came? Like first you have done 500. Focus on this line. 500 minus 50 you are doing. Minus 50. What 50 is? 50 you have calculated 500 multiplied 10 upon 100. If you take 500 common, you will get 1 minus 10 upon 100. What is 1 minus 10 upon 100? Is 90 upon 100. So basically the same thing we have already done, right? This is how you solve your question. So now let us back to the question. Back to the question. A motorcycle is bought at this rupees. Its value depreciate at 10% per annum. Find its value after 2 years. So you have bought an motorcycle of worth rupees 160, then three more zero. Okay, its value depreciate at 10%. So it means after 1 year, its value will be 10% depreciate. It means 10% value will be less. So the remaining will be 90%, 90 by 100. This is the value after 1 year, and after 2 year, for 2 years, again this value will becomes your 90 by 100. Got it or not? Right. So what will be the answer? Right. So just cross two zeros will cancel out two zeros. Again two zeros will cancel out these two zeros. And 9 9 is 81. 81 multiplied 160. Do the required 12960. 12960 will be your answer. Rupees will be your value of your what? Value of your motorcycle after 2 years, right? So basically, this is your solution. This is your solution. That uh, that your bike was 16 this much, right? Its value depreciate at what? 10 upon 100, right? Then you will for 1 year, and for another 1 year it will be 1 minus 10 upon 100. 1 minus 10 upon 100 is what? 9 by 10, right? So 161240 multiplied 90 by 100 multiplied 90 by 100. This is what we have done. You will get value what? 129,620. 20 will be there, guys. Okay. Its value depreciate. It means for 1 year, its value will be 1 minus 1 upon 10 or 10 upon 100. Just go by 10 upon 100. Then again 1 minus 10 upon 100. Because you value depreciate at the rate of 10%, right? If it was 1, then you will subtract 1 minus 10 upon 100. That is 90 upon 100 will be remaining. You can do by other way, right? So this much amount will be your bike will cost after 2 years. Okay. So yeah, advanced problems on profit and loss involving MP, CP, SP. The cost price of 10 pence is the same as the selling price of n pence. If there is a loss of 40%, approximately what is the value of n? You have to calculate the value of your n. So guys, this is how I do this types of question, right? So basically, first I write that cost price of 10 pence. So it means your 10, suppose your cost price is C, 10C will be what? Will be equal to your selling price of n pence. N pence of your selling price. Got it or not? your cost price of 10 pence. So this is what your cost price of 10 pence is equal to what? The same as the selling price of n pence. Your selling price of n pence and selling price, suppose your s. So from here you will get your C upon S, your ratio, what? N upon 10. This is what you will get ratio. That if your selling price is 10, then the cost price will be N. Okay. And if there is loss of 40%, guys, loss is there, loss percent. So what loss percent is? Loss percent is your loss divided by cost price multiplied 100. And what do you mean your loss? Your loss is your cost price minus selling price divided by cost price multiplied 100. This is what your formula says, right? If you individually divide, you will get CP upon CP minus selling price divided by cost price multiplied what? Multiply 100. Your CP was CP is what? 1. Your SP was CP, selling price by cost price multiplied is what your loss percentage is, right? So just push the, so if you calculate your S upon C here, then it will be 10 by, and just put the value, just put the value. Loss percent is given 40. 1 minus SP upon CP is a 10 upon N multiplied 100. Okay. If you further solve it, you will get, if you further solve it, you will get in the, like this, you will get 2 upon 5 will be equal to 1 minus 10 upon N. Okay. So basically 10 upon N will be what? 3 upon 5. So your N will be 50 by 3. No space left. From here, your N will be what? 50 upon 3. N will be 50 upon 3. And 50 upon 3 is what? Some 16.999, right? So just write approx 17 approx. This is how I solve, guys. This is how I solve. First, I find out the ratio of your cost price upon selling price. Then I do according to your question, whether the loss percentage is given or whether your profit percentage is given, right? This is how I solve. And yeah, you can also use this solutions also. You can use either way. I think the way I have done will be much easier. Okay. And yeah, you will never find any difficulty while doing this. So let the question say, the answer is, let the price of each pen be 1. So the cost price of n pen will be what? N. The, we have assumed that price of each pen be 1. So cost of n pens will be how much? N. And selling price of n pens. Selling price of n pens will be what? Selling price of n pens will be equal to 2. Why? Because it has given that 10 CP. 10 CP will be equal to n of selling price. Okay. So cost price will be what? 1. So it means it will become 10 of your n selling price, right? Cost price of n selling. So you got n selling price. So if you got cost price of n pence is n, cost and selling price of n pence is 10. So your loss will be, your loss is given, loss will be what? Loss is what? Loss is cost price minus selling price. What is the cost price? Cost price is n, selling price is 10. So basically this is your loss, right? And loss percentage is given. Loss percentage is loss divided by cost price multiplied 100. Loss percentage will be what? Given 40%. Loss is what? Loss is your n minus 100. CP. CP is what? CP of n pence is n multiplied 100. If you just solve it, you will get your n as 50 by 3. That is 17 approx. This is what your solution says, right? You can do, or you can use either of the methods. I generally prefer this. If you find this difficult or lengthy, you can also use this, right? But from this method, you will won't be uh, like you will not find any difficulty while solving any hard question. Okay, so yeah, guys, another questions are there for you. Question is there: a shopkeeper offers a discount of 20 price on the selling price. That the question says that if your MP was something, then they will 20% discount. 20% discount will be given and the selling price. On some special sale day, on some special day, he offers an extra 25% discount. They just offer 25% more discount. Some SP will be their final SP. If the article was sold at rupees this, find the market price. So you have given two discount. So the point to be noted. Note this point. Never just add the discount. Never just add the discount at your 20% discount and 25% discount, that is 45% discount. No, never just add the discount. These are successive, right? These are not sold like this. So the questions just say, let's suppose the MP is X. I will tell you what. Suppose market price is X. Okay, so X is the market price, and you have given what? You have given first your discount of your 20%. 20% discount means 20% discount is given. It means it will be your 80 by 100. Got it or not? You have given 20% discount. So you so suppose let's say market price by 500, right? You have given 20% discount. 20% discount means 80 by 100. You will get how much? 400. You will get your selling price as 400, right? Because 500 discount is given 1 minus 20 by 100. This is what we do, right? I think you have got the point. So yeah, discount was 80 by 100. Next, next he offers an 25% off coupon, 25% more discount. So 25% more discount, it means 1 minus 25 by 100. It is 75 by 100. So this is all equals to what? 3600. Just solve this, guys. X into 4 by 5. 75 will be there. 75. 3 by 4. 3600. 4 and 4 will. Just do the calculation, guys. I am just doing fast, okay? So basically, your 3x by 5 will be equal to 3600. From here, your x will be equal to what? 60, 6,000. Your market price will be what? 6,000. This is what we do, right? This is how you solve your question. Yeah, so here is your answer. Let's suppose the market price of article is X. 20% discount were offered on which another 25% were discount. If 20% is discount, then what? It means 80 by 80% and 25 discount is what? 75%. Just multiply them, right? This is how you will get your value of X is 6,000. Okay. Again, the question is saying the next part is the cost price of if the shopkeeper still makes 40-80% of profit on the whole. Okay, so the question is saying if your SP was the selling price by 6,000 and after discount he has he has made what 80% of what 80% of profit, right? So what profit percentage is profit percentage given what 80 what profit percentage is. I'm just writing here profit percentage is profit divided by cost price. This cost price you have to calculate multiply 100 profit percentage. So yeah, your profit is what selling price minus cost price divided by cost price multiplied 100. This is what profit percentage is, right? If you individually divide it, you will get profit percentage selling price by cost price minus 1 into 100. So profit percentage is what 80 given. Sorry, 80 given, 80 given, and your selling price is 6,000 divided by cost price minus 1 multiplied what 100. Just calculate CP. CP is not, just calculate CP. So you will get cost price here 2,000. Right, guys? Sorry, your cost price is what 3600. 3600 you have calculated, na? Your MP was your market price was 6,000, but your selling price is what 3600. So basically, this. Just do the calculation, you will get what cost price as 2,000, right? So it is very important to note that does not your total discount does not just add, right? So do not just add uh, 20 and 25 at 45% discount. Do not do this, right? Do not do this. Your discount goes in a successful manner. Okay. So yeah, guys, this was a very good question. Okay. Again, a question is there for you. Question there for you. First, try to do it by yourself. A bicycle marked at this much and is sold to this. So basically, your market price is 1500. Your sold price, your selling price is what 1350. What is the percentage of discount? Guys, discount percentage is what? Discount divided by market price multiplied 100. And what discount is? Discount is your selling price. Sorry, market price minus selling price. We have already studied what market price minus selling price. What market price is? Market price is 1500 minus selling price is 1350. You will get what? You will get 150. Okay. Just put in the formula. You have to require discount percent. So discount is what? Discount is you have calculated 150. Market price is what? 1500 multiplied 100. Okay, guys. So 20 will cancel out 20. 150 upon 15 is what? 10 percentage. So this is what discount percentage. Discount percentage is your what? 10 percentage, right? So this is what we have already done. This your account discount will be market price minus selling price. That is this much is equal to what? Rupees 150. Okay. And discount just put in the formula. Discount percentage is what? Your discount divided by market price multiplied by 100. What discount is? Discount is your market price minus selling price. Okay. Likewise, a question is there. Question is there. And Arvida is sold for this. So basically, you know your selling price. Selling price is what? 5225. And allowing a discount of 5%. You have given what? Discount percentage. Discount percentage is what? 5. Okay. Find its market price. So you know that discount percentage is equal to what? Discount divided by market price multiplied 100, guys. Okay. So, and what discount is? Discount is your market price minus selling price divided by again market price multiplied 100. Okay. Just individually divide it. You will get your discount. Just individually divide it. Discount percentage will be market price or market price. It means MP by MP minus your selling price by market price multiplied. This is what equal to MP by MP is 1. Selling price is what? Selling price divided by market price into 100. Just now put the value. Discount percentage is what? 5 is equal to 1 minus selling price is what? Selling price is 5225 divided by market price is you have to calculate market price into 100. Okay. So basically your 5 by 100 will be equal to 1 minus 5225 by market price. Guys, do the calculation and you will get market price as what? 5500. Let me just show you how will you do this calculation. I'm just doing upper. 5 by 100 is a 1 by 20 is equal to 1 minus selling price divided by market price. This negative, so you basically your sell 5225 by market price will be equal to 1 minus 1 upon 20. 1 minus 1 upon 20 is your 19 upon 20. Just cross multiply it, you will get market price is 5500. Just do the little bit calculation, you will get your value of market price 5500. Just do the cross multiply it, guys. Okay. So this is what how you will go solve this question. Okay. This is what rate percentage is, and this is what amount of discount. The same way, right? The same way you can do by other way. Guys, questions are there for you. Practice questions are there for you. Practice. Let us do first question, right? Let us do first question. First pause the video and guys try to do by yourself first. Right? Question of first, then check how I am doing. Question first is a man sold a fan. Fan. A man sold a fan. It means its selling price will be what? 465. Find the cost price. If it occurs a loss of 7%, you have to find cost price. You have to find cost price. You have to find cost price, and we have given the loss percentage. Just look at how I'm doing to the next page. So your loss percentage is basically what? Your loss divided by CP multiplied what? 100. Right? So what your loss percentage is equal to what loss is your cost price minus selling price divided by cost price multiplied what? 100. Right? Just individually divided like we have done in our earlier question. CP or CP will be 1 minus SP divided by CP into 100. This is what the loss percentage is. Loss percentage given 7. 1 minus selling price is 465. Cost price you have to calculate multiply 100. So 100 will go in division. So 7 by 100 is equal to 1 minus 465 by cost price. So your 465 upon cost price will be equal to 1 minus 7 upon 100. 465 upon cost price. 100 minus 7 will be 93 by 100. Cost price will be what? Just cross multiply. 465 into 100 divided by 93. 93 5 ja 465. 5 into 100 500. So basically cost price is what? In each and every question for your CP involving CPSP, CPSP and MP discount, right? We always use the formula and just first use the formula, write the formula and do the individual division. This is what we get. We then know only one variable, right? Guys, do the second question for you as a homework for your practice. I am doing question number 3. Just read out what question number 3 is. Market price of table. MP of what? Table is given 1200. Selling price is given what? 1056. After certain discount, you have to calculate find the discount percentage. First tell me what discount is. Discount is your market price minus selling price. Market price is 1200 minus selling price is 1056. You will get discount at 144. Okay. So discount percentage is what? Discount divided by market price into 100. Just put the value. Discount is 144. Market price is 1200. Multiplied 100. 20 and 20 will cancel out, and 12. So discount percentage will be what? 12%. Do the second question as your homework, guys. Right? So yeah, 12% will be your answer, and 500 for your first question. Okay, cost price. So yeah, guys, this is what we have discussed in our session. In our session, that involve the questions for based on your market price, selling price, right? So we'll meet you soon in next session. Till then, guys, keep learning, keep practicing, and do your questions from your reference book and NCERT ones, right? So yeah, thank you guys. Thanks a lot.